Hello everyone, I'm Tudor, and today I'm going to share my experience in my pedagogical practice in the institution Liceo Andaki. Liceo Andaki is a institution private. Introduction. Next, you are going to find some picture about my experience in my pedagogical practice. In each event, I stand out the most relevant aspects during my observation process, immersion, the importance of creating good material and different kind of styles and different very important aspects. Objective. Well, when I start my process academy about my pedagogical practice, I start to observe different class. The first step it was that because I start to observe different class, so it was a process very important because I can learn different things about how to teach. For example, the attitude. For example, how to teach a topic to the students. For example, how to communicate to the students what thing used during the class, how to interact with the students, different things very important in the process academy. And the immersion process. In the immersion process, it was more amazing because I have the opportunity to give a class. The teacher gave me the opportunity to prepare my own class. So I start to prepare lessons and create materials. It was very important for me because I could learn different things about how to teach. In this case, I had the opportunity to teach different topics, so I learned a lot of about my profession, like English teacher. The creation material is a tool very important and relevant during the teaching because the students are very visual. So it's necessary to attach the attention to the student with the different resources. For example, flashcards, newspapers, videos, games online is very useful during the teaching. In this case, English is a subject very amazing for teaching. Particularly, I consider English is marvelous for teaching because it's interesting for the student. So we can apply different material, for example, authentic material like videos, music, movies, newspaper, and different things very useful for the student. So it's necessary to take account these points when we create our lesson plans. Learning styles. Um, in the different grades, there are a lot of students with different or special conditions. So it's very important to take account this point when we give a class because the students never learn of the same way. It's necessary to take account this point when we create a material because each student each student have different conditions. Each student need different tool for learn or get learn. So when we create material, we need to adapt this material to needs of students. Yes. Evaluation evaluation application. In this course, I can learn how to create evaluation material. It's necessary to take account different things when we evaluate the students. For example, different criteria and different aspects for evaluate the students. It's necessary evaluate the students according to necessaries. The experience, particularly or in general, the experience in the institution private Liceo aquí, it was amazing because I can learn different things very important for my life and profession like English teacher. I can acquire attitudes, I can acquire methods, strategies. It was a experience very, very meaningful for my life. I am grateful for that. Thank you very much.